Welcome back to How to YouTube. In this episode, I'll be talking to you about editing. Editing your videos will definitely help your channel. For example, Mr. B started growing insane because it's editing and YouTube and your style of editing will help your fans get excited and interested for what's to come. Editing can be daunting if you have not done it before. There are loads of tutorials out there on YouTube. I'll link to all of the best tutorials in the description. Some editors have watermarks, and if you use them, they'll bring your channel down. There's an editor called DaVinci Resolve. It's fantastic. Editing is one of the most important parts of post-production. But there's more to editing than meets the eye. Those who want to breeze through it, they can't do it without the proper YouTube video editor tools. Thank you for watching. If you want to start your YouTube journey, then subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you know when new episodes have been released.